Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this conditional statement. In other words, if x plus 1 divided by x equals to 7, then we are going to calculate the value of x power 3 plus 1 divided by x power 3. And please bear in mind, we are not supposed to be using calculators of any kind. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. And in this video, I'm going to share with you with two different approaches. So therefore, please watch the video till the very end. And here's our very first step. Let's look at x power 3 plus 1 divided by x power 3. In other words, we are dealing with power 3. So therefore, let's recall this famous identity. A plus b whole power 3 could be written as a power 3 plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b power 3. And now we are going to rearrange these terms. I'm going to put a power 3 and b power 3 together, and likewise 3a square b and 3ab square, as you can see in this next step. And now let's focus on these two terms, 3a square b plus 3ab square. We can see 3ab is in common. So therefore, this part could be written as 3 times ab times a plus b. As you can see in this next step, I have replaced this part with 3 times ab times a plus b. So thus we can write a plus b whole power 3 as a power 3 b power 3 plus 3 times ab times a plus b. And now if I label a as x and b as 1 divided by x, then we can write this identity as x plus 1 divided by x whole power 3 is going to be equal to x power 3 plus 1 divided by x power 3 plus 3 times x times 1 divided by x, and then times x plus 1 divided by x. And now we can see x and 1 divided by x, they cancel each other out. And we know our x plus 1 divided by x value is 7. So therefore, I'm going to replace this part with the 7 over here. And likewise, this part x plus 1 divided by x, I'm going to replace with the 7 as well. So therefore, we are ended up with this 7 power 3 equals to x power 3 plus 1 divided by x power 3 plus 3 times this whole thing value is 7. And now we know 7 power 3 is simply 343 equals to x power 3 plus 1 divided by x power 3 plus 21. And now I'm going to move 21 on the other direction. So therefore, we are ended up with this x power 3 plus 1 divided by x power 3 equals to 343 minus 21. And if we simplify, we can get 322. So thus our x power 3 plus 1 divided by x power 3 value simply turns out to be 322 by using the very first method. And now I'm going to share with you the second method as well. And here's our direct formula that we can plug into. If x plus 1 divided by x value is m, then x power 3 plus 1 divided by x power 3 value is going to be simply m power 3 minus 3 times m. And here in our case, our m value is 7. Then our x power 3 plus 1 divided by x power 3 value is going to be simply, I'm going to replace this m with 7 over here, and likewise I'm going to replace this m with 7 as well. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. So we got 7 power 3 minus 3 times 7. Let's go ahead and simplify. 7 power 3 is going to be 343 minus 3 times 7 is 21. And if we subtract, we are going to get 322. So thus our x power 3 plus 1 divided by x power 3 value simply turns out to be 322 by using the second method as well. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the value of x power 3 plus 1 divided by x power 3 turns out to be equal to 322 by using the both methods. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.